Welcome to this tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Discord voice messages step by step. Discord doesn't provide a built-in download option for voice messages, but with a simple workaround, you can still save them directly to your device. This is useful if you want to keep important voice notes, save conversations for later, or simply access them offline whenever you need. I'll guide you through everything in a clear and beginner-friendly way so you can follow along easily. Let's jump right in. First, open Discord in your web browser and go to the chat or server where the voice message was sent. Make sure you are on the exact message you want to download because we will be extracting the audio file from it. Now, we need to open the browser's developer tools. You can do this by pressing Ctrl-Shift-I on Windows or Command-Option-I on Mac. If that shortcut doesn't work, you can also find Developer Tools in your browser's menu settings. Once Developer Tools opens, don't worry, it may look complicated, but we only need one simple feature. Click inside the Developer Tools panel and press Ctrl-F to open the search bar. Now type the following: voicemessage.ogg, then press Enter. This will help you locate the audio file linked to the Discord voice message inside the page code. After a moment, you should see a highlighted URL or file link appear. This is the direct link to your voice message audio. Now, carefully double-click the full URL and copy it using Ctrl-C. Make sure you copy the entire link exactly as shown, because even a small missing part can prevent the file from opening correctly. Once copied, open a new tab in your browser. Paste the link into the address bar and press Enter. After the page loads, you should see an audio player appear on the screen. At this point, you are very close to downloading the file. Now, right-click on the audio player and select Save Audio As. Choose the folder where you want to save the file, then click Save. And just like that, your Discord voice message is now downloaded and saved to your computer. You can now play it anytime without needing Discord or an internet connection. Here's a quick tip before we finish. If you download voice messages often, it's a good idea to create a separate folder for them so everything stays organized and easy to find later. Also, keep in mind that some Discord links may not last forever, so it's better to download important messages as soon as possible. And that's it! You now know how to download Discord voice messages using your browser and developer tools. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more simple Discord guides, tech tips, and step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.